what are your thoughts on affiliate marketing and SEO or Amazon affiliate marketing programs? Yeah, it's an easy way to make money. I don't do this because I don't promote any products, and I never will sell out ever. Although I do get approached a lot. But I do see a lot of YouTubers, what they'll do is they'll talk about products. And then if you go to the description field of that video, you can click through. And through the affiliate marketing program, they make money based on that. In terms of affiliate marketing, I have a lot of people, a lot of media publications will resell my my courses. And even the New York Post has been selling my MBA degree program, the lowest end version, the silver version, and tons of other media publications. And I do that through a company called Stack Commerce. So that's one of the affiliate marketing companies that I partner with. And my team, I've got a great company I'm working with called Ziggy Media. And they're the ones actually that have been, I give them 20% of the profits of my MBA program, with the stuff they sell. So it's a meritocracy, you eat what you kill. It's the best way to do it. And so what they've done is they created this landing page at haroonmba.com. And this is using a product called ClickFunnels. And this is how they're reselling it. And they've done some advertising as well, which has worked out on the internet. It's really hard to spend money to promote $10 courses, right? You cannot make a living off of that and generate a return.